healthy carrot cake done two ways, and it's super delicious while still being super healthy. Because the sugar has been reduced, it's mainly made of whole wheat and oats flour, and it has a lot of carrot. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. Today, today we'll be making some carrot cake. We'll be doing it two ways. One with some bananas in it, and then another one with some baby food in it. We want to see which one tastes the best. So stay tuned. Healthy carrot cake. Before we can mix away, we have to ensure that our carrots has been grated, our ginger has been grated, and our oats has been processed. We can use a blender to do this or a food processor. Make sure you have your wine because we are ready to wine and bake. And now we're just gonna go ahead and chop up our peanuts. If your peanuts don't need to be chopped up, don't have to worry. But mine were whole. Now I'm gonna add some more nuts. We have some pumpkin seed. We have some sesame seed. What else we have? We have also almond. Yeah, almond are chopped up as well. So now that we have everything ready, look how beautiful that look. So we have all our ingredients ready, and it's time to mix them together. Let's start with the sugar. We are only using 4 ounces of vegetable oil. Remember, we have doubled our recipe. We have doubled our recipe to bake 2 cakes. And usually to bake 2 cakes, we would use 2 cups of sugar and even more. But for this, we have reduced the sugar to 1 cup. So therefore, it's half cup of sugar to 1 cake. And mix away! Now with this, we're getting fat from our eggs. So it's only like 4 eggs per cake. So that's going to add moisture and help with the structure. Drink some, sip some wine in the meanwhile. Okay, add your spices now. Yes, vanilla smells so good. Cinnamon, and some salt, because salt balances out everything. Sea salt, by the way, the healthy kind. Some nutmeg, some grated ginger, and it's time to just mix that all again. This is so easy. Look at that. Add your whole wheat flour, add a little bit of white flour, and now we're going to add our processed oats. You can add some shredded coconut if you'd like. If you don't, you can add some coconut milk powder. This adds sweetness and flavor. Using whole wheat flour and oats is much healthier than using white flour because they have a lower hyperglycemic rate than white flour, so you wouldn't get that spike in your blood sugar, and then your body wouldn't have to rush to store it as fat. Yeah. Alright, so I forgot my baking powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add it in right now. Hey, at least I remembered. And look at that carrot, it's so beautiful. Oh yeah, we use a lot of carrot, so the carrot adds volume as well. Instead of adding more starch, why not just add more carrots? Oh yeah, a little bit of raisins. They were soaking in like wine, so imagine how this tastes. Really good. Man, it's time to just add your nuts right now. It's so beautiful. Now this is my favorite part. You see a little bit of the carrot, the raisin, and the nuts. Oh, it just looks beautiful. And then when you go ahead and just mix it in, wow. If you could smell this right now, feel free to sip wine anytime. Go ahead and just separate the batter into 2, one for the bananas and the other for the baby food. Alright, go ahead and just mash your bananas, adding fruits, to cake is a healthy way of adding moisture and flavor and sweetness without adding any oils or fat. Oh yeah, here is your baby food. Yeah, using peach, you can use applesauce or pineapple. It's very simple. Add baby food to one and add bananas to the other. My house smells so good right now with all the spices, and oh god, I can't wait. Go ahead and pour in your batters into well greased baking pans. Alright, and bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 35 to 40 minutes. And you're done. Look at that. So moist and delicious. My house smells so good, man. I can't wait to taste which one tastes better, whether the baby food one or the one with the bananas. But yo, this one with the baby food, it looks shot. Look at it. And this one now is the bananas. Oh my gosh, which one you think tastes better? Well, both of them healthy, but which one tastes better? So here's my husband who's going to tell me. Carrot cake, and you're going to see which one. Tell me which one tastes the best. Then I'm going to tell you which one is which one. Yeah. So which one tastes best? That one. That one has its baby food. Alright, so thank you, hon. And how does it taste? For a healthy carrot cake. Alright, thank you so much. For me, both of them taste good. Both of them sell off. It's shot. So, how will you like you forgot choose and make? Thanks for watching.